glass water systems. This is a video on how to put together your end pieces for a WS1 correctly so you have no leaks or anything. Okay, the end pieces come in a kit. They have a total of two end pieces. They have two slip rings, look like this. They have two O-rings, look like this. And then they have two nuts, look just like this. Okay, it's very simple to put this thing together, but if you don't put it together right, it will leak and you'll have problems. First of all, what goes on is the nut. Then next thing that goes on is the slip ring. Just be kind of cautious as you do it. It goes on there's a little notch in here, it goes on the second notch. You'll see right there, the second notch. And then finally, we put on the O-ring. And that's it. These rings are these O-rings are said to have self-extruding, lubrication on it, so you really don't need to put any lubrication on it. If you do, that's your choice, but you need to use a silicone that's non-petroleum based. If you put like a petroleum jelly or something on it, it'll swell these O-rings up and they'll never fit right. So please don't put that on there. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you have a bypass. The bypass is set up the same thing. You have to have the slip ring on there, and you have to have the O-ring. It's exactly the same design as the end pieces. All you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to press it down into the actual bypass itself and screw it down. And you're going to screw it until there's two like little plastic stops on it. So you're going to screw it until it goes all the way into there. Sometimes it might be a little bit tight the first time. I caution you, everything on this valve is only hand tight. You do not use any kind of pliers or anything. If you do, you will break this stuff. So once it's on that, it's all the way down. This thing's ready to go. You can plumb into it. You could use 3/4 CBVC inside. You can use 3/4 PVC on the inside too, and then you can use 1 inch on the outside. As far as going on to the unit itself, again, it's the same type of scenario. This one's already on there. Same thing, you're just going to place it on there and you're going to start one side. Get one side started, then get the other side started. Tighten them down into the plastic stops on the valve itself, and then you're done. And there might be a little bit of give or play in the actual valve itself, but the O-rings are going to keep it from leaking. Alright, that's it. That's all there is to putting this thing together and getting it ready to start plumbing in. Thank you.